Top 50 Tourist Places in Wales. Wales is one of the most beautiful and underrated destinations in the United Kingdom, known for its dramatic coastlines, ancient castles, green mountains, charming villages, and rich Celtic culture. Wales offers unforgettable experiences for every type of traveller. In this video, we'll explore the top 50 tourist places in Wales that you must visit at least once in your lifetime. Ayr castles and historic landmarks. Wales is famous for having more castles per square mile than anywhere else in the world. Some of the most iconic include Cardiff Castle, Carnarvon Castle, Conwy Castle, Harlech Castle, and Pembroke Castle. Other must-see historical sites are Beaumaris Castle, Castell Coch, Raglan Castle, Caerphilly Castle, and Kidwelly Castle, each offering a glimpse into medieval Welsh history and architecture. In national parks and natural wonders, nature lovers will fall in love with Wales. Snowdonia National Park, home to Mount Snowdon, is perfect for hiking and scenic views. Brecon Beacons National Park offers waterfalls, caves, and starry night skies. Pembrokeshire Coast National Park features dramatic cliffs and sandy beaches. Other natural highlights include Devil's Bridge Waterfalls, Gower Peninsula, Elan Valley, Llyn Padan, Llyn Gwynant, and Ynys Llandwyn. Ayr coastlines and beach destinations. Wales boasts some of the UK's most beautiful beaches. Top coastal spots include Rosylley Bay, Tenby Beach, Barafundle Bay, Llandudno Promenade, Abersoch, New Quay, Porthcawl, Barmouth Beach, and Anglesey Island, known for its lighthouse views and coastal walks. Ayr cities, towns and cultural spots. Welsh cities combine history with modern charm. Cardiff, the capital, is packed with museums, shopping, and waterfront. Views at Cardiff Bay. Swansea is known for beaches and Dylan Thomas heritage. Llandudno, Bangor, Aberystwyth, St David's, the UK's smallest city, and Wrexham offer unique culture, architecture, and local experiences. Unique attractions and experiences. For something different, visit Portmeirion Village, an Italian-style coastal town. Explore underground adventures at Bounce Below and Zip World. Ride historic railways like the Snowdon, Mountain Railway and Festiniog Railway. Don't miss Big Pit National Coal Museum, Danrogorf Show Caves, Bodnant Garden, St Fagan's National Museum of History, and Anglesey Sea Zoo. From medieval castles and rugged mountains to stunning beaches and charming towns, Wales truly has something for everyone. These top 50 tourist places in Wales showcase the country's natural beauty, deep history, and unforgettable culture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and tell us in the comments which place in Wales you'd love to visit first.